I'm so excited about this series because it's really bringing back memories for me. I went on an amazing trip with my husband to the Yucatan before we got pregnant with James. And the Yucatan's one of our favorite places to visit. And Merida is my favorite city there. It's this beautiful colonial town. It has fantastic architecture, incredibly bright colors. The people are amazing, and the food is fantastic. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make all of the drinks and kind of like the appetizers. So we're going to be making café de olla. We're going to be doing fruit with like a hibiscus salt on top. And then we're going to be doing one of my favorite cocktails, kind of a take on basically fruit juice. Everywhere you go, the tropical fruit juice situation is just chef's kiss. So we're going to be doing kind of a mezcal cocktail inspired by those delicious flavors. All right, well, I've got my coffee ready to go, so we're gonna do the café de olla. So what I have for that is just really simple. Basically, café de olla is coffee that has a little extra to it. So the first thing we're going to do is smash up the cinnamon stick. So this is a molcajete, which basically is a mortar and pestle. I have my pestle and I'm going to mortar. So just sharding it up. There we go. Oh, wow, you can smell it already. That's so good. So into it goes. Damn, this is heavy. Okay, beautiful. And then I'm actually gonna add the sugar straight into it. Just like 2 tablespoons. And then the coffee. And then my hot water. And another stir. All right, so the coffee's gonna steep for about 4 minutes. So while I'm doing that, I'm gonna get started on the fruta. So I have all this amazing fruit that I'm gonna put together, but I have to make the salt first. So for that, I have a guajillo chili. I love the flavor of guajillo. It's not very spicy, but it has this really robust, kind of earthy flavor. And then this is hibiscus. And it has this really beautiful tart note. It kind of tastes like pink lemonade. That's what it tastes like to me. So to make this, it's really simple. We're just gonna put the hibiscus in there. And I'm just gonna tear this up with my hands. I know that like pasilla and poblano are used more in mole, but this smells like mole to me. It's so good. It just has this like sweetness to it. All right, and we're just gonna pulverize it. Okay, this is probably about like halfway done, but the coffee's finished. So I'm gonna make sure to just give that a nice stir. I always forget to press down the French press. It's so annoying when that happens. So you do not want over extracted coffee. So 4 minutes, maybe 5, but 4 minutes. All right, well, we're gonna keep pulverizing this chili hibiscus mixture, and then we're gonna put together the salt. So you can see it's pretty well ground. All right, so I'm just gonna pour this straight into the salt. Oh, it's such a good color. So pretty, oh my God. So the salt is finished. Let's put together our little fruit bowl. So I'm just gonna kind of layer things in. And it's okay that it's rustic. You want it to be rustic. We're gonna do a little bit of the chili salt. Or a lot. Can you tell I like chili salt? And then a squeeze of the lime. It's so pretty. When you add the lime, the hibiscus soaks into it and dyes everything pink. I'm just gonna let that sit and marinate, and I'm gonna make my cocktail. So I'm doing the papaya and lime to use as the base of this, and it's such a delicious combination. I'm also adding a little bit of orange. One of the flavors you'll see pop up a lot in sort of the Caribbean region is sour oranges. I'm kind of pretending we have sour oranges by doing a regular orange with a lime. And I just wanna do about like 1.5 ounces of each. Don't worry about seeds, don't worry about pulp. We're gonna actually strain this whole thing in a minute. So the amount of limes honestly depends on how like juicy your limes are. So these ones are actually pretty juicy. So I think I probably only need like 1 lime, like 1 whole lime. All right, and next I'm going to add some papaya. When I was a little kid, my mom would have papaya every day for breakfast. I don't know, it was like her thing. And I had two little jobs in the morning. One was scooping the coffee for my dad, and then I would take the seeds out of my mom's papaya. So it's soft enough, you really don't even have to cut it. I'm just gonna spoon like about a half cut, like just kind of eyeballing it. So I'm just sort of scraping the inside of the papaya. Oh yeah, it's sufficiently pulverized. So I have my cocktail shaker here. I'm gonna put like halfway filled with ice. All right, so I have my juice in here. Next I'm gonna add a little mezcal. So I'm just gonna eyeball it, but I'd say about like an ounce. Just to give it a little bit of dimension, I'm gonna add some of that seasoning salt. So you could totally do regular, like kosher salt too, but I just made this beautiful hibiscus chili salt, so definitely gonna use that. So I'm stirring it really intensely for about 15 seconds and then straining it. Well, salud, dinero y amor. All right, let's give this a taste. Yes, this is delicious. It also kind of looks like orange juice, so no one needs to know you're having a cocktail. It's very sneaky. The salt, it's so special and necessary in this drink. The lime, the orange, it's so good. So the only thing left is for me to enjoy my coffee. In the other videos, I am making this delicious egg dish and then pastelitos, which are, oh, they're so good. They're guava, cream cheese, little like empanadas, and just like, oh my God, the best. So make sure to look out for those videos too to see the full spread, but this is so delicious. Okay, coffee time. Well, I'm excited to try this, the café de olla. It tastes like a hug, which sounds so lame, but it's so good. Oh my God. It's not too sweet. I mean, I guess everyone's different, but I'm not a mega sweet tooth, and that's actually not too sweet. It's really beautiful. The cinnamon's really subtle. Oh, it's delicious. Honestly, this is a very lovely, if boozy, breakfast. So this is great just as its own, but I'm so excited about putting this whole spread together. It's gonna be delicious. So please make sure to check out those other videos. I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make some of these recipes. They're definitely some of my favorite from vacation. All right, well, I'll see you guys in the other ones and you can see the whole spread, but hope you guys enjoyed watching. Like the video if you like it. Love getting your comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye.